Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. My appointment that I came to Chakan for, I had the first appointment, but my second appointment was put off until next Tuesday, so I'm going to stay here another 4 days. Decent hotel to be stuck in. I'd rather be on the road, but this could be worth something, guys. And again, I don't want to jinx myself. I'll discuss all this with you later. But now I'm going to jump on Livy, go and see the fort, which seems to be about the only tourist attraction in this town. It is an industrial town, that's why. It's sort of kind of like an industrial suburb of Pune. We're in Chakan, if I didn't say. Oh guys, sorry, sunglasses, it's really bright. YouTube channel, you're on YouTube now. In 3 weeks you'll be on my YouTube channel. But this is the Chakan fort. I can't find the age of it, guys, but I do know that most of the damage was done in a big battle in the 1960s. And, yes guys, but it's all gated off. The only steps that aren't gated off are these ones here, and they don't look too safe. So I'm not going to go in there, but it's on 5.5 acres, so this is part of it over here. This is all part of it here. Quite an impressive old building. But getting here, I had to do a bit of off-roading. Yeah, it was fun. But let's go and have a bit of a look around the fort of Chakan. I'm getting into more, this is right sort of smack in the middle of the local part of Chakan, away from all the industry. But it's, yes, like I said, it was a bit of a, I had to do quite a bit of off-road, well not quite a bit, but maybe 2 kilometres of this sort of tracks to get here. It was fun. Yeah, nobody can give me the exact age, but one of the locals said it's around 400 or 500 years old, which that's what I would have guessed. Look at this, guys, unbelievable. Oh. And the old pink house over there. This is really local. But I'm going to go and jump on Libby. There's not much else to see here, but I'm going to go and get some food, say goodbye to my new mates, and head back to my hotel and do some editing. That's my hotel just there, guys. The rest is select. Really happy there. And this is my favourite cup of tea here. Delicious. Shakir. And this is my favourite restaurant. It's vegetarian, which anyone that knows me properly will think it's your favourite, but yeah, I like the food here. And they've got a really, really cold fridge. So even when I'm not hungry, I've eaten here twice in the last 3 days, but even when I'm not hungry, I stop in here for an icy cold soda water. Yeah, so I've seen pretty much everything there is to see in Chakan, so it's going to be a pretty boring few days, but it'll be worth it, I hope. Well, it's going to be worth it, even if they tell me no. I've got an idea for the next couple of years, travelling from Perth to London, but I've just got to talk to a company here to see if they can make it affordable, but I'll tell you more of the details once I know. Well, even if they tell me no, I'll tell you the idea, but for now I don't want to jinx myself. I know I keep saying that, but I'm very, very excited. When I first got here and spoke to the first guy, I just turned up at the factory and said I want to speak to a manager, and he came out sort of grumpy, the boss of the whole factory. And I don't mean just a tin shed, I mean this had a big long driveway lined with coconut palms and things, and this was a really impressive factory. It's where, look, I've got a bit of a crowd here. It's where they make all the small KTM motorcycles at this factory, and I spoke to him. Once he heard my idea, his whole attitude changed, and we talked for about half an hour. He introduced me to his boss by telephone, and he's introduced me to the marketing person that I need to speak to. But I see them on Tuesday. It was supposed to be Friday, but he had a sudden appointment in Mumbai, it's been put off till Tuesday. It's Saturday today, so but it's all right. I'm excited. I am excited. This is what I talked about in the last video, guys. Look at this. Looks like the rubbish trucks have just come along here and dumped all this on the side of the road, and it's everywhere. I'm out in the country a bit now, just having a ride, seeing what I can see, but there's all through the city, all through the town, there's rubbish everywhere. I don't understand it. I've got no idea where I am. I just did my normal fucking kids playing with the bike. I don't mind them taking photos with it, but when they try climbing on it, that's a different story. But look what I found, guys. I just did my normally I'd just walk around the city. This time I jumped on the bike and I rode out of Chakan, and about maybe 20 minutes out of Chakan, and I found this. Everyone washing their clothes on the thing. This is typical India. I bet they have all the festivals up here every night, all the religious things. Amazing, guys. I'm going to try and find this temple over here, and then we'll try and find a haircut. Sometime today we'll try and find a haircut. Look at this. Unbelievable. Now this is only 20 years old. I would have thought it was much older, but it's a temple of Nanishuri, and if I've said that wrong, I apologize to everyone. I don't mean to insult everyone, but everyone here speaks Hindi, and they're trying to help me. But yeah, look at this guy. The religion's actually 700 or 800 years old. A branch of Hinduism, I'm guessing, but that's only a guess, guys. So again, I apologize if I'm offending anyone. Amazing, really. Just beautiful. And everyone's taking photos with the bike again. They're all pretty impressed with Libby. So this is about the 20th barbershop I've stopped at, and they're all shut. Monday must be the day for not getting your hair cut in Chakan. Oh, no, from Chennai. I put it on a ship. I shipped to Chennai. Pondicherry? Yes. Well, guys, it turns out that yesterday the reason I couldn't get a haircut is because it was a public holiday.
What purpose to come here?
Just to visit your amazing country.
Okay.
To ride around. I want to do Ladakh.
Enjoy.
Yes. So, guys, next time you see me, I'll be clean and tidy again.
How many days?
And here I am at the main office of Bajaj. Look at this, guys. Very impressive office, but let's see if I can get something done here. Well, guys, that was a very exciting meeting. I've just got to put my plans down on paper, send them into him. We'll discuss it. We'll have a board meeting here. If they agree, they'll have a worldwide board meeting. Could be a very exciting thing, guys, but we'll discuss that later. For now, I'm going out to see a fort. I forget the name of it. There's Libby sitting there. I'm just having a little cup of chai. Oh, what a day, guys. And Mumbai tomorrow. And Friday I park up Libby and I fly to Sri Lanka, meet Janet. That's exciting as well. I was just riding to the fort, guys. I'm going to show you a fort shortly. And I saw this Kawasaki shop. This is Kawasaki Pune. And these guys, I just came in to ask them to kind of support the YouTube channel a bit. They've taken the bike into the workshop. They're giving it a once over, putting a bit of lube on the chain, checking that front wheel I put it on. So thank you very much, guys. Look at this. I've got the whole shop in here. Too big for the thing. They can't fit it in. They've got to move the other bikes. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. ZX10. Amazing machine. And this is Shiddle. He's really shy. He doesn't want to be on camera. But he's kind of seems to be like the boss around here. Is that right?
No, I'm just here.
Oh, well, but he's got very, very good English. So he's the one that's been helping me. Now they're taking the bike for a wash. So that's the first time in a long time now. Now, whenever I go bush, I wash it. But it is a while since she's had a proper wash. Look at this. Up here having a wash. Look where we are on the roof of the building. I really didn't expect this. I just stopped in to ask for some support for YouTube. Well guys, this is what we came to see. The Shanawar Wada. It's built in 1732. At the time, there was well over 1,000 people lived inside here, and it was 7 stories high, but it was all built of stone, and how 7 stories have disappeared, I don't know, but maybe they've been used for building for other things, I don't know. But this is where I was coming. But guys, the guys at Pune Kawasaki, what an amazing bunch of guys. I just went in there to ask them to promote the channel. As you saw, they did a full inspection of the bike. They checked all the work that I did when I took it out of the crate. They gave it a proper wash. Just amazing, guys. What an incredible bunch of guys, and I can't tell them thank you enough. And they refused to take any money. It was just all done out of the goodness of their hearts. Amazing people, and thank you very much, guys. But let's go and have a look at the Shanawar Wada. Well guys, it's packed in there. Even just standing in the queue to get a ticket, and it's only 300 rupees, so about maybe $4 US. Hello! Maybe about $4 US. But yeah, too crowded for me. Well worth having a look though, guys. An amazing old fort, but I'll be seeing a lot of forts and temples and things on this trip, so I'm not too fussed. Right now, I'm going to head back to the hotel. What a day I've had, guys. Between Bajaj and the Kawasaki shop, what a day I've had. Well guys, that was a week I wasn't expecting, but let's hope that week pays off. Even if it doesn't, it was worth a try. But we'll find out. We'll find out soon. I've got to write up a detailed description of what I actually want. Email that to the guy I met yesterday, and then he'll discuss it with everyone else, and hopefully when I come back from Australia, which will be in a month, pretty much a month, we start doing business. I'm excited, guys, really am. But for now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there, or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.